In this video, I'm going to show you how to make super easy, delicious foil packet potatoes. Hi there, I'm Jina George, registered dietitian, diabetes specialist, and weight loss coach for Indian Health Council. Foil packet recipes are amazing. They're super easy, flavorful, fun for the whole family. That's right, you can get your whole family involved in making their own packet. You can do this indoors or outdoors. And of course, there's less cleanup involved because we're using foil. Foil packet recipes are pretty much unlimited. You can use a variety of proteins and veggies. Now just keep in mind you want your protein to match your veggie cooking time. So for example, you wouldn't cook fish with giant pieces of potato. Definitely different cooking times. Also, you want to lay your protein on top of your veggies. This way you get the flavor and the natural fats to help it cook. For this foil packet recipe, we're going to keep it pretty simple. So here's what you'll need: foil, potatoes, onions, olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to start by slicing the potatoes in either bite-sized pieces, quarters, or halves. Just keep in mind, the larger the potato, the longer the cooking time. Next, you'll cut an onion. Doesn't matter which kind, red, white, brown. Just slice it across and it'll provide a ton of flavor. Then we'll drizzle some olive oil on the foil. We'll lay the potatoes and the onion on top. Then another drizzle of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. When that's done, seal the foil around the edges and it's ready to cook. Now it's ready for the oven, toaster oven, or your grill. If you use the oven or toaster oven, it'll be at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes. I like using my toaster oven because it's quick. There is no preheat time. If you're using a grill, it's going to be about 15 to 30 minutes over medium-high heat. A quick way to check the potatoes is just take a fork and stab through the foil. If it stabs through easily, then that means your potatoes are done. If your health goals include blood sugar balance or weight loss, you'll want to keep the potatoes at a quarter, at the very most 1/3 of the plate. Fill the rest of the plate with tons of non-starchy veggies and a good quality protein. If you love this potato packet recipe, go ahead and hit subscribe on YouTube or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'm Jina George, registered dietitian, diabetes specialist, and weight loss coach for Indian Health Council. Now, if you're interested in nutrition coaching and tips on healthy eating, call us at 760-749-1410, extension 5455. Telephone and virtual services are available.